Well, I'm Vinny. This is Luis. Say hi, Luis.
How you guys doing?
So we're starting a YouTube channel that you're watching right now called Dirty Off-Road, where we're going to be doing all types of cool things. We're not going to be selling you anything, wink, wink, but mostly vlog style videos. We got to take this Jeep to go get some stuff, that alignment. Because, man, I haven't driven it before. I heard it drives like dog, you know? So, yeah, look forward to you guys watching.
Of course.
Well, this is my boss's Jeep. She's not horribly bad. Soft top. Doesn't have power windows or power locks, so big ass key for no reason. Needs an alignment. My first time driving her Jeep. Drives horribly. I could see why we're getting an alignment on it. This is going to be the Jeep that we use to go do events and all types of other stuff. I haven't driven a Jeep in 5 years. I used to have a Rubicon JK on 40s. Yeah, I had it on 40s. It was great Jeep. Redid the gears, the whole bit. Totally, this is yeah, I don't know. This Jeep just drives totally different. It's gonna be a while to get used to. The alignment on this thing is so bad that if I wasn't used to driving a Jeep in the past with bad alignment, you would think I'm drunk driving right now. Not even over exaggerating. It's a tough drive. I can't believe she's been driving this Jeep like this. Well, I sound like a diva, but man, it's bad. It's all over the place. Or is that just how Jeeps drive? I don't, maybe I'm wrong. You tell me. Took the Jeep here, Mickey Franklin. They're known for Jeep work, so let's see how they do. I know a lot of Jeep guys in the area, but I wanted to get the alignment done today. So let's, high hopes. It really can't get much worse, if I'm being honest. It drives like a piece of garbage. I don't know if it's the tires. I don't know. Could be the Jeep. Not even my Jeep. Might be my Jeep one day. Damn, my boy. Thanks for the ride, Ant. Appreciate it.
No worries.
There's a lot of meat packed into these two front seats. We just picked up the Jeep. And nothing but bad news. We need tie rods. We need all types of things on this Jeep. So I think what we're going to do for the next episode is figure out what we're going to do and how we're going to upgrade it and go from there. I think at this point is to just beef this thing up enough so it's enjoyable to drive and it's a machine, you know. But Jeep life, right? Thanks for watching. Hope you guys tune in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Talk to you soon.